To fix Steam Link audio that isn't working, there are several potential reasons to consider. The issue may be due to the audio device not being enabled, incorrect streaming settings, or incorrect host audio settings. To resolve these issues, start by enabling the audio device on the host computer. This can be done by accessing the Start menu, searching for and opening the control panel, navigating to the Hardware and Sound option, selecting the Sound option, and finally enabling the Steam Streaming Speakers option. If this doesn't work, check the streaming settings by accessing the Stream Link app, going to the Settings page, selecting the Streaming option, and ensuring the audio option is enabled. If the issue persists, verify the host audio settings by launching a linked PC through the Steam Link, accessing the settings by pressing the gear symbol, and checking the audio section to ensure all volumes are turned up or adjusted to the preferred level. Additionally, confirm that the music volume is at its peak level. By following these steps, it should be possible to resolve the Steam Link audio issue.